everyone, esteemed panelists, faculty, and fellow researchers. So, what is emotional intelligence when it comes to business managers? Before I continue, I am Joanna Fe Pahayahay with my co-researcher Pearl Simila, and we will discuss about our study entitled The Role of Emotional Intelligence in Strengthening Business Management Skills as a Strategic Approach in Modern Enterprises. So, I had mentioned a question earlier, which is what is emotional intelligence when it comes to business managers? So here's the catch. Next slide, please. Thank you. So the capacity to navigate complex interpersonal dynamics, build cohesive teams, and foster a positive work environment are characteristics of managers who have emotional intelligence. And this statement is supported by Falgo last 2024 in his academic journal. Our study is anchored on Daniel Goleman's emotional intelligence theory last 1995, which highlights 5 domains, which are self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. And we believe that these domains or this emotional intelligence enhances decision-making, leadership, communication, collaboration, and conflict resolution. Therefore, our study investigates the relationship between emotional intelligence and business management skills among SME managers. Next, please. So, allow me to discuss our schematic diagram. At the core of our research is the relationship between emotional intelligence and business management skills, which demographics serving as our moderating variables. So on the left side, we divided our independent variables into 2 categories, which are the demographic profile and emotional intelligence. These variables, which are gender, age, educational attainment, and years of experience, it helps us to understand how background factors may influence emotional intelligence and business management skills. And then, emotional intelligence, these domains are measured to assess the emotional competencies of SME managers. And then on the right side, we have our dependent variables, which are the business management skills, which we aim to strengthen. And the arrows show the directional influence, how emotional intelligence and profile affect the effectiveness of those skills. And then for the SOP of our study, we have a total of 5 SOPs. And then I will go to methodology. In our study, we used a quantitative, descriptive, correlational design. Our respondents were 92 SME managers, selected from a population of 2,093 using Rausoft sampling. We employed a validated researcher-made questionnaire, tested for reliability using Cronbach's alpha. Data were analyzed through frequency, percentage, weighted mean, correlation, and regression. And then ethical considerations included informed consent, confidentiality, and compliance with the Data Privacy Act.